Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Dr. Bharti Dave, Dean of School of Science at Indrashil University. Welcome to the College Dunia portal, ma'am. Beginning with the first question, I would like to ask you have held several key positions at the Education Institute throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Yes, see, for me, it has been a very long career. Initially, I was in a state-funded university, Maharaja Vishnu Kumar Singh Bhavnagar University. I have taught there specifically the subject of microbiology for almost 35 years. I had been the professor and head of life sciences at that university. And then immediately after retirement, I have joined Indrashil University as Dean School of Science. So during all these long years of experience, the factors that have kept me connected to the education system are, if I tell you a few, one of my major interests was in uplifting the education of the students, specifically as I was in the postgraduate department, uplifting the education of the students at the postgraduate level and to make them self-sustainable for their future career. As the present ecosystem is directed towards research and innovation, I would like to create a benchmark in the education system in Gujarat that gives me motivation to train the students in that direction. As the country needs young and talented youth, the factor that has kept me motivated is to motivate them to achieve excellence in their career and thereby making our country very proud.
Very well said, ma'am. So, moving to the next question. My next question is that what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you like to describe your leadership style?
Being the Dean of School of Science at Indrashil University, I would like to develop, as a leader, I would like to develop the curriculum at the undergraduate level and the postgraduate level that is updated as per the recent requirements of the students of the industry as well as of the academics. I would like all faculty to work towards research and teaching, making this university into a world-class university in terms of both research, teaching and training.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving to the next question. How does the curriculum of Indrashil University ensure the best practice of the industry?
See, if I tell you about our university and how our curriculum is different from rest of the universities, one of the major points that I would like to focus is, since our university is supported by Cadila Pharmaceutical Industries, our curriculum is industry tailored. We would like to narrow down the gap between industries and academia in a way that as soon as the students graduate and postgraduate from this university, they are very well absorbed in the industries, pharmaceutical industries of Gujarat, specifically Ahmedabad being the hub of pharmaceutical industry. I would also like the students to take up, we at Indrashil University offer industrial training to the students. This industrial training is accredited training program for about 4 to 5 months for MSc students, whereby the students go to the pharmaceutical industries of their choice. They carry out their internship. The other part that we focus on, for those students who do not want to go to the industries, we suggest their internships at Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Laboratories. We have an MOU with Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, a CSIR laboratory at Bhavnagar, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology at Hyderabad, and a National Chemical Laboratory at Pune. So even our students are offered internships to these CSIR laboratories, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, where they work for research towards the industries.
Absolutely. The theoretical and practical knowledge should be given equal importance. Coming to the next question, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the university and students are?
If you talk about my roles and responsibilities being the Dean of School of Science, I would like to see that the students graduating and post-graduating from this university are updated in their knowledge. Once they finish their education and are out of this university, they should get employed as soon as possible. And this year itself, our postgraduate students have been employed and have been placed in some very good reputed pharmaceutical industries of Gujarat. our university has helped them to place those students.
So, what do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 10 years?
Or the next 10 years, as per my view and as per my perception, and as per what the National Education Policy 2020 says, that the university should be converted into a multidisciplinary university, and the university should be identified either as a teaching university or a research university or a combination of both. So as per my perception and as per the view of our university, which is managed by Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited, and as per the vision of our CMD sir, our university should give more focus on research, and I think it should be converted into a research university equally well.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you so much for your answer. Next question being, what do you see as Indrashil University's greatest strengths?
The Industrial University's greatest strength lies in the state-of-the-art infrastructure laboratory facilities that we have. If you visit our laboratories, and I would request you to visit at least once, we have about 6 to 7 MSc laboratories. We have 8 to 10 research laboratories. If you just have a glance at our laboratories, if you see to the pictures of our university, all our university is equipped with all the state-of-the-art sophisticated scientific equipments. Say, for example, we have a number of HPLC, we have GC, we have GCMS, we have FTIR, we have IR, and recently we have procured nuclear magnetic resonance NMR, where the cost is about 4.5 to 5 crores rupees. Our university is the first in Gujarat to have an NMR which is available not only to the faculty but to undergraduate students as well as research students as well. Besides this, our faculty are highly qualified in the sense that they are not only PhDs, but they have postdoctoral experience from 3 to 4 different foreign countries. They have also a global exposure. So our main strength lies in our faculty with imparting highly good education, achieving academic excellence, and having a very sophisticated state-of-the-art laboratory facilities. Our students admitted to this university gets admitted. The first criteria that they see is the qualifications of the faculty and the laboratory facilities that we have.
Thank you so much for that response, ma'am. I'm sure our audience is going to find that pretty informative. Jumping to the last question, I would like to ask if you would like to give any suggestions to the current youth and the aspiring students.
See, one of the major suggestion that I would like to be given to the aspiring youth at present is, as the ecosystem at present is towards research and innovation, I would like all the talented youth of the country to excel in research, to excel in innovation, and become future entrepreneurs of our country, and to make our country as one of the superpower.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much for an intellectual section. We'll be concluding our interview here. That was Dr. Bharti Dave, Dean of School of Science at Indrashil University. Thank you for the interview, ma'am.